So we got a new problem on this BMW. Did you see it? Pops out of gear. So I'll put it back in first. That is solidly in first. Just show you again. So we just stop now. So clutch in, and it's like there's two sets. So it's like one is normally there, two is sort of, it's like it's 2 clicks sort of thing sometimes. Is it likely to be the synchro mesh in the gearbox? I had a new clutch in it about 25,000 miles ago. See if it does it now. It's popping out a lot of the time. I hardly even put my foot on the throttle then. So again, it's very inconsistent. No other gear. There's no other gear where it does this. It's just first gear. So if you can point me in the right direction, or if you've had this on your own car and you found out what the problem was, let me know.